A few years ago, the idea of replacing your smartphone with a pair of glasses sounded ridiculous. Today, there are smart glasses that can translate conversations in real time, navigate entire cities, answer questions about anything you're looking at, and handle tasks that keep billions of people glued to their phones every single day. And here's the part nobody saw coming. The company most likely to kill the smartphone might not be Apple, Google, or even Meta. In fact, one of the glasses on this list is taking such a different approach that it could completely change the future of personal technology. So let's count down the 5 smartest glasses, pushing us toward a post-smartphone world. And trust me, the number 1 pick isn't on top because of what it can do today. It's there because of what it could do to the entire tech industry tomorrow. Number 5, Meta Ray-Ban display glass. If you've been following smart glasses recently, you've probably heard about Meta's Ray-Ban. But here's what most people miss. These aren't really glasses anymore. They're becoming a new kind of interface. Imagine walking through an airport. Your gate information appears instantly. A message arrives. Your route updates. A reminder pops up, and your phone never leaves your pocket. That's the experience Meta is building toward. The hidden display only appears when needed, making the entire system feel surprisingly natural. Information shows up, helps you, then disappears. No constant distractions, no giant floating screen, no sci-fi overload. But that's not even the most futuristic part. Instead of touching the glasses, Meta lets you control them using subtle hand gestures through its neural wristband technology. A small finger movement can answer a call. Another gesture can scroll through information. It feels less like using a device and more like communicating with one. Then there's Meta AI. Point your attention toward a landmark, translate a menu, ask questions about your surroundings, get information instantly without stopping what you're doing. For many people, that means fewer phone checks every day. A lot fewer. At roughly $799, these are among the most advanced smart glasses available right now. But they still have one weakness. Everyone can tell they're smart glasses. And surprisingly, that matters more than you might think, because the next company decided the smartest technology is the kind nobody notices. Number 4, Halliday AI Glasses. What if smart glasses looked so normal that nobody knew you were wearing them? That's exactly what makes Halliday so interesting. Most companies are trying to make smart glasses more powerful. Halliday focused on making them disappear. And honestly, that strategy might be genius. At first glance, they look like ordinary eyewear. No flashy tech design, no futuristic aesthetic, nothing that screams, "I'm wearing a computer." But hidden inside is an AI system designed to show information before you even think to ask for it. Heading to the airport, flight details appear. Walking through a new city, directions quietly show up. Got a meeting coming up? A reminder appears at exactly the right moment. The experience feels less reactive and more predictive. And that's where things start getting interesting. Instead of controlling the glasses directly, Halliday uses a companion smart ring. Twist to scroll, tap to select. That's it. Simple, natural, invisible. But the feature that has travelers paying attention is live translation. Imagine sitting across from someone who speaks a language you don't understand. They start talking, subtitles instantly appear. The conversation continues naturally. No awkward pauses, no pulling out your phone, no breaking eye contact. It's one of those features that sounds impressive in a demo, but feels even better in real life. And at roughly $499, Halliday proves that smart glasses don't have to look futuristic to feel futuristic. But while Halliday solved the visibility problem, another company focused on something even more important, because if glasses aren't comfortable enough to wear all day, none of the other features matter. Number 3, Rokid Glasses. Here's a question. What's the point of replacing your phone if the replacement becomes uncomfortable after an hour? That's the challenge Rokid decided to solve. Instead of chasing flashy features, they focused on making smart glasses something you'd actually want to wear all day. And it starts with the weight. At roughly 49 grams, these are among the lightest smart glasses available right now. That doesn't sound exciting until you realize how much comfort matters in wearable technology. Now imagine this. You land in Tokyo. Someone starts speaking Japanese. English subtitles appear instantly. You respond in English. They hear Japanese. The conversation continues naturally. No translation apps, no awkward pauses, no breaking language barrier. That's where Rokid shines. minds. And once you see it working, you immediately understand why so many people believe smart glasses are the future. The glasses also offer AI-powered assistance for navigation, meeting notes, summaries, and contextual information throughout your day. What's interesting is that Rokid intentionally uses a monochrome display. At first, that sounds like a downgrade, but it improves readability, efficiency, and battery life. In other words, it's a practical decision rather than a flashy one. Rokid isn't trying to be everything, it's trying to be useful. And sometimes that's the smarter approach. But as impressive as Rokid is, it still follows the same basic idea as most smart glasses today. The next company wants to change the entire game. And this is where smartphones should probably start getting nervous. Before we continue, hit the like button if you're enjoying the countdown. And if you want to check out any of the product, links are in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tech breakdowns like this. Because the next two products aren't just competing with phones, they're competing with the idea of screens themselves. Number 2, Snap Spectacles 2026. For years, people underestimated Snap. That might turn out to be a mistake, because while everyone else was focused on smartphones, Snap was quietly building toward augmented reality. And now we're finally seeing the result. The upcoming Snap Spectacles aren't trying to put information on a display. They're trying to merge digital experiences with the real world. Here's where things get crazy. Imagine looking at your kitchen counter and seeing step-by-step cooking instructions floating exactly where you need them. Imagine digital objects sitting on your desk. Imagine collaborating with friends around a shared 3D workspace that only exists through your glasses. That's the future Snap is building toward. And unlike many companies, Snap understands that hardware alone isn't enough. You need experiences, you need software, you need reasons for people to wear the glasses every day. That's why they're building an entire ecosystem around the platform. If they pull it off, Snap won't just compete with smartphones, they could help redefine what personal computing looks like. And yet, there's still one company that could change the entire market faster than anyone else. Not because of better technology, not because of better hardware, because of something much more powerful. At number 1, Apple Smart Glasses. Apple hasn't officially launched their smart glasses, and somehow that's exactly why they're number 1, because no company has more power to accelerate an emerging technology than Apple. Think about it. When Apple enters a category, something changes. Developers pay attention. Consumers get curious. Competitors react. The entire market shifts. And that's why Apple's rumored smart glasses matter. Not because they'll necessarily have the best specifications, but because they could make smart glasses mainstream. According to industry reports, Apple's vision revolves around one idea: making technology disappear into everyday life. Imagine receiving a message, replying naturally, getting directions, managing tasks, accessing information, all without pulling a device from your pocket. Everything happens around you instead of demanding your attention. Your glasses, your AirPods, your Apple Watch, your Mac, all working together as a single seamless system. That's Apple's real advantage. The ecosystem. Rumors point towards transparent displays, advanced AI-powered Siri capabilities, voice-first controls, and deep integration across Apple's growing ecosystem. And if Apple gets the experience right, these glasses could become the first wearable device that genuinely makes smartphones feel optional, not obsolete overnight. Option. And that may be an even bigger threat, because once people realize they don't need to pull out their phones every few minutes, going back could feel surprisingly old-fashioned. For nearly 2 decades, smartphones have been the center of modern life, but for the first time, there's a realistic chance that something else could take their place. The question isn't whether smart glasses are getting better. They are. The question is who will convince the world to make the switch first. So what do you think? If smart glasses became good enough tomorrow, would you actually leave your phone at home? Or are smartphones still going to dominate for years to come? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future focused tech content. You'll also find links to everything featured today down in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future usually arrives much earlier than most people expect.